Hey everyone, this is Tim from your exFAT. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to force any apps to install to external storage on your Google TV streamer or Google TV. So let's go to settings right here. Go on down to where it says system, go to the right, go to about, then go to the right, go down to Android TV OS build and tap this until you unlock the developer options. Then let's go back, going down. And then we got developer options, turn this on, scroll on down, and there should be an option somewhere under here at the bottom that will force apps to install to an external device. So just continue to scroll on down until you see that option. Here it is. Turn this on. Force allow apps on external. Make any app eligible to be written to external storage regardless of manifest values. So just go ahead and turn that on. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on your exFAT.